How you can share your game screen on iPhone using Discord app. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is ls at the left side, which is basically a my group. So once you tap on the ls, you can see there is in voice section there is lobby and gaming. So if you want to choose lobby, you can choose lobby, but for now let's tap in the gaming. And once you tap on it, you can see there is join voice option in here. So you simply need to tap on the join voice, and you can share your screen from here. So just tap on the green button, and once you tap